done. Let's actually replace with this new tire. Okay. What do you do with that? This is kind of tricky. Short. See, it's coming out. There. Came out. Yeah. Let's push out, right? If you push, did you see it? Yeah, there. The wheels came out. Beautiful. Alright. So for new one, we need new wheel and these two. Shaft and locking screw. So anyways, you put the wheel like this, put like this, screw it. Yep. So afterwards, use 2 hex key to lock it. Let's see. There you go. New wheel. And this side as well, new wheel. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, we'll test out, right? Yeah. Good. Yeah. No problem.